Got your IELTS exam tomorrow and don't know what to do? Here's 5 things you should be doing right before your IELTS exam. Alright, so I've heard that you've prepared for the exam, maybe even taken classes and done a lot of mock tests. Now, what to do at the last moment? Here's my advice right before the IELTS exam. Number 1, take the day off, give yourself a break. You've prepared so much and so hard to reach this point. It'll do you really good to just rest and relax your mind. Also, language isn't learned overnight. So chances are that if you didn't learn some strategies and tips till now, you may not be able to wrap your head around them at the last moment. In fact, doing them so late may even make you even more confused and nervous. So avoid it, just go for a walk and go for a jog, relax, watch a few cartoons and you're good to go. Number 2, if you still want to do something productive, what you could do is watch a few comedy series but in English and preferably in British English. For example, Ghosts. Or you could watch any British series, for example Sherlock, The Peaky Blinders, or anything that can help you practice your IELTS listening. Number 3. So, make sure you've packed all your essentials. For example, your passport, which is imperative. Without this document, you wouldn't be allowed to enter the exam hall. So ensure you've kept it in your bag one night prior. Secondly, also ensure that you've taken a printout of the mail which states that today is your IELTS exam. Also, it's a really long exam, so a great idea would be to be well rested and eat a little before the exam so that you're not hungry during the test. Number 4 would be to just watch a few videos if you have any doubts or any strategies that you want to revise right before the exam. You can go to IELTS Prep by Leap Scholar, watch a few videos of the topic that you want to brush up. I wouldn't recommend doing a lot of this right before the exam, but let's say if you have only 1 or 2 difficulties or you're nervous about some topic, you could do that. And number 5 is the most important thing in the IELTS exam. Can you guess what it is? Well, confidence. How to gain confidence right before the exam? You could watch a few TED Talks, or what you could do is watch a few motivational videos. Again, this is going to help you practice your English listening, and also it'll help you overcome any nerves and flaunt your fluency and confidence on the last day. Also, you could talk to your English speaking friends, have a chat with them and just use English in your day-to-day life. Maybe talk to yourself, talk to anybody, read the newspaper. That will help you stay in touch with the language, which is extremely important to build confidence. I hope all of my tips have helped you. Do let me know if they helped you in the comment section. Also share your band after your exam is done. Thank you and bye-bye.